Along with the launch of the iPhone 16 series, Apple also launched a new MagSafe charger. When paired with a 30 watts charger, it can provide 25 watts of wireless output power, which can charge the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro to half capacity in 30 minutes. The white box is printed with the Apple logo, MagSafe charger, and product appearance. The product name and usage diagram are printed on the back, and the charger has passed the CE certification. The model A2580 and serial number are printed on the bottom of the box, and it is assembled in Vietnam. Open the box. It contains some documents and the MagSafe charger. It is secured with cardboard. It adopts a woven cable. It supports input of 5 volts 3 amp, 9 volts 3 amp, and 15 volts 3 amp. The New Zealand RNZ and Japan VCCI certification logos are printed on the USB-C connector. The total length of the MagSafe charger is about 110 centimeters. The diameter of the wireless charge panel is about 55.5 millimeters. The thickness is about 4.52 millimeters. Using an Apple 30 watts charger and the new MagSafe charger to charge the iPhone 14 Pro, the measured input power is approximately 18 watts. The weight is about 46.2 grams. Next, let's take it apart to see its internal components and structure. Use a cutting machine to open the plastic case of the USB-C connector. The interior is a stainless steel shell fixed by spot welding. Cut open the stainless steel shell. The PCBA module is filled with black potting compound. The other side is also filled with potting compound. Clean the potting compound. And there are 2 chips on the PCBA. The other side has an alloy inductor and filter capacitor. The chip used for USB-C control is marked with 3GK07AQOD411P8R45917099082. This is the crystal oscillator used with it. Another chip is from Texas Instruments and marked with 45A9L08CP3100A1D1S2V. There is a small chip between the 2 chips. The alloy inductor is sprayed with paint and a QR code. Remove the metal shell and plastic frame of the USB-C plug. And you can see the gold-plated pins inside. Next, disassemble the wireless charging panel. And pry off the cover from the edge. There is copper foil inside the cover and a coil on the edge for communication. There is a wireless charging coil inside and magnets on the edge for attaching the phone. Cut open the charger's aluminum shell. The PCBA module is attached to the aluminum alloy shell with double-sided tape for heat dissipation, and a black plastic plate is provided between the magnetic isolation sheet and the aluminum alloy shell for insulation. The connecting wires are fixed by clips. The wires are used to connect the communication coil inside the cover. These are 16 magnets for attaching the phone. The wireless charging coil is wound with Litz wire. Remove the plastic frame. The PCBA module is powered via wires. One of the chips comes from STMicroelectronics and is marked with STWTD1A0, which is presumed to be the master control chip. This is the external crystal oscillator. The surface of the chip is covered with glue, making it difficult to recognize the printed content. These are two SMD inductors. The other chip is also covered with glue. Clean off the QR code on the surface. The wireless charging chip is from STMicroelectronics. Model is STWTA1A1. 3 MOSFETs marked with 9-6 are used for resonant capacitor switching. The cable has orange and blue power wires, green and white data wires, and a metal shielding net. Here is the component list of the new Apple 25W MagSafe charger Hong Kong for your convenience. Apple's new MagSafe charger continues the design of the old product. It uses a woven cable. After taking it apart, we found the new MagSafe charger integrates more functions and reduces the number of peripheral components. Thanks to the improvement in integration, the PCBA module area is significantly reduced, simplifying the internal layout design of the charger. Okay, that's all for today's video. Please drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us. See you next time. Bye.